you're having a brilliant day. My name is Teacher PJ. I'm 51 years old and I'm from sunny South Africa. I would like to offer you the opportunity to learn the English language in a friendly, supportive atmosphere. Quickly, a bit of background about myself. In 1992, I matriculated from my school, Potchefstroom Gymnasium. We had a motto, Fac et Spera. And now, I'm not swearing, in Latin it means working hard and having a positive view towards the future. The same would apply to you learning the English language. After school, I did my conscripted military service. We had to grow up very quickly and be disciplined, and I was awarded the rank of First Lieutenant at the age of 19. This is a photo of myself and my grandfather on the day of our passing out parade. After my military service, I enrolled with the university and I obtained 2 bachelor degrees, Baccalaureus Commercie in 1996 and Baccalaureus Legum in 1998. In 2002, I was admitted as an attorney and in 2006 as a conveyancer. Since 2007, I've been practicing as an attorney for my own account. In South Africa, we've got 12 official languages. The different language groups mainly communicate with each other in the English language. In order to do business in South Africa, you have to be a well-spoken English person. I really enjoy the company of my students and I like meeting new people, or students for that matter. Each student has got unique and specific needs and we'll cater for such. I'll be using compelling lesson plans to keep you interested. With my interactive teaching approach, we place an emphasis on your conversational skills in everyday situations, and we'll be practicing that until you are confident in communicating in the English language. I also follow a holistic approach to teaching. This means that you'll be learning a lot more than just the English language. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with the first step. Take your first step and join my class, and we'll have a lot of fun while you are learning the English language. Enjoy the rest of your day. Kind regards, Teacher PJ.